Myanmar's rice harvesting season is at risk of disruption this summer, raising fresh concerns over food security as the country grapples with an ongoing fuel crisis. In this two-part series, our Myanmar team examines the impact of fuel shortages in the country's agriculture sector that's driven by a mix of domestic constraints and supply pressure linked to the Middle East tensions.
This season will not be the same. Rice harvesting in Myanmar is far from a time of celebration. This is the crucial window for farmers to reap the fruits of their labor while the weather conditions remain favorable. And it's not just a race against the monsoon. For many farmers, it's a race to secure fuel for harvesting. The prices in question, fuel is reportedly selling for around 12,000 kyat. That's roughly $3 per litre. That's more than double the official prices. For many farmers, failing to harvest rice means more than just losing a season's income. Most farmers rely on loans to finance the entire planting cycle, from fertilizer purchases to machinery rental and mulling. At this site, operations have nearly ground to a halt. Workers who travel to the Delta region in search of jobs are now left stranded. Even small-scale millers, used by farmers to process rice for their own consumption, are struggling to stay open. Fuel costs alone are enough to halt operations. For now, options for the farmers here are limited, even for those considering a return to manual farming. Years of mechanization mean many farmers no longer keep cattle or buffalo for field work. For now, many can only hope that the fuel supply situation will improve in time.